One bat, the Arctic Tern, travels over 70,000 kilometers every year. That's more than going around the earth once. So, what's their secret? Shall we reveal them? Secret number 1. The earth is like a giant magnet. Bats have a natural compass inside their body. Scientists discovered special proteins called cryptograms located in bats' eyes. These proteins allow bats to sense Earth's magnetic field, literally see direction. For bats, north, south, east, west is not a guesswork. It's visible. That means bats don't memorize direction, they sense it.